Guys, here's like 50 pieces. You've got 4 ball peen hammers, you've got a rubber hammer, you've got 10 snips, you've got 3 or 4 pairs of pliers, you've got you've got 2 torque wrenches, you've got a grinder here. That's putting the drill and grind your stuff. Here's a 1/2-inch drive, 30. It's a 34 millimeter. You've got 1/2-inch 3/8 drive sockets here. You've got 3 of these wrenches here to take off pipe in that width. 5 filter wrenches. You got another pliers. You got side snips. These is for rotary mowers.
Okay.
For blades. You got 9 pieces. 9 pieces here to go on your cylinders.